Good morning from the car.
Good morning.
Morning. Good morning, everybody. So the game plan today is Adam and I are getting dropped off in Kent, where we got off the trail 2 days ago now. We're gonna slack pack as far as we can hike. Tiger is getting dropped off in
What, Cornwall?
wherever Chirp drops her off. She's gonna slack pack as far as she can go. Are you going Nobo or Sobo?
No, we're going to Salisbury where Chirp left off.
Tiger's going to Salisbury. And Chirp's...
He's really upset. Darn!
Chirp's gonna enjoy this gorgeous sunny day on the lake while we're all hiking. She's gonna come and pick us up tonight. We'll see what we end up doing tomorrow. Living the life of luxury. It's nice to have part of the family back together though, that's for sure. We'll see what happens, but Adam and I will check in on the trail. Okay, do it again. Do it again. Look at how pretty, look at all the flowers. Whee! We are at Caleb's Peak. This is the vista. Pretty gorgeous day for hiking. Sunny, hot, but breezy.
Breeze is nice.
Keeps the bugs away. Making good time.
No packing. It's better than slack packing.
Show off over here. I've got a little pack.
Just need water.
All right, onward.
Okay, so Jinjin, Adam, and Tiger are all hiking today, and I am slack packing them. I have decided to have a very difficult day, sitting here at Tiger's cottage with a nice cold glass of water, my AT guidebook, in case I decide to be productive and work on my blog. Otherwise, this is going to be my view for the day. Not too bad. I think I'm okay with it. Sydney's having a pretty rough day too. Relaxing in the sun.
So we're coming down this super steep hill, and I look up and I realize that we are next to this huge slab. Beautiful, pretty tall. So much of me wants to climb that. Not climbing it today. Today we're gonna hike.
Hey everyone, it's Tiger. I have an interruption for your regular programming. Just checking in today. Hi Adam and Jinjin, 4G and Jinjin. Chirp, who's probably chilling at the cottage. About 6 miles in, pretty decent terrain. Although this rest spot isn't chosen by me. I'm testing out new shoes. I've got a pair of Solomon's, which are pretty excellent in almost all the ways. They hug my feet nicely. I've got new insoles, but the bottoms are very slick. So I just found myself on my butt in the middle of the trail. Pretty flat terrain, but a very slippery rock right in the middle. So that's fun. Also, I left my trekking pole at the cottage, so I borrowed one of Chirp's, which happened to be in the back of my car. They are worn down completely after 1,000 miles. So I'm just sliding all over the place. It's pretty great. I'll check in later. Bye.
So far, slack packing is going wonderfully. We had a steep climb at the beginning of the day, and then just like some ups and downs, and then there was a really steep decline on some rocks that I am so happy that I was not wearing a pack for, because it was a little rough on my knees. It was really steep coming down, that's it. Since we've been down from that, we've been on this wonderfully flat trail right next to the river. There's 4G way up there, and so we're able to get cruising pretty fast. It's just after 1. I think our 10-mile mark is coming up here soonish. I don't know, within the next hour I think we'll have hit 10 miles. There's a pavilion with a water pump, so I think we're gonna stop there for lunch, top off our water again, and then keep going. We have multiple options for pickup locations tonight. It's either 16 miles, 23 miles, or 26 miles, I think, so we're gonna check in with the girls once we get to our first pickup location and see how much more time we have. But we are not going to have another flat section like this the rest of the day, so I'm sure our mileage will slow down a little bit. See you up there.
It's getting a little hot sitting out here all day on the dock, so I think it's time I cool down. Much better. So good. Tiger's mom just showed up with fresh baked homemade banana bread. You have to see this thing. It is still warm. It is beautiful. It is going to be my lunch. It's gonna be so good. I can cut this thing open and have a big old bite. Sorry, hikers. It's not gonna be warm when you get here. Look at this. That's good.
Just walking. Still walking. There's a river over there. River walking. Yeah.
Spatula that's here really goes
Right.
over the house.
Let's see how Tiger does with this pie thing.
That goes over the house? Yeah. Oh,
Very daintily.
Cheating.
Oh,
She's
I
using her
have no
fingers.
idea how it
Came
got
over here.
Hands free, Ma.
Oh man.
Hands free days ago or something. You mean it really worked?
Yay! So dainty. Kind of fork.
No.
Oh goodness. Good job.
Got
You
put in
finished your
water,
pie already.
apparently.
Have
I'm a
more
growing
pie.
boy.
You want some more pie?
I'm good for now.